think and write as usual. Half an hour timing will be given as what you have done today, the same. Okay, those who do not attend, no, I think nothing can be done. They are losing marks unnecessarily, high marks. Okay. Yes, Digvijay, good morning. Digvijay, I don't know. First time the first time you are attending here, Digvijay. Yes. Can you able to hear me, Digvijay? Yes, first time you are attending. Okay. Yes, let us start with the problem with some different story. Okay, I think 3-4 problems we had it already based on formulation problems. Nothing else. You have to identify the story. Okay, surely some cost is going to be, see, in any of the story if you take it, it is almost maximization. It means income he wanted to increase. Okay, that was the first target, and see what are the conditions you have. Okay, based on that you can able to create a mathematical model. Okay, we'll have today one more problem. Just I go through it. There is one oil refinery company who is headed by a manager. Okay, see, a manager of an oil refinery has to decide upon the optimal mix of two possible blendings. Blending means mixing. Okay, see, he has two processes of which input and output per production run are as follows. See, there are two processes, number 1 and number 2 processes, and input he is giving crude oil. See, we have different types of crude oils. Let us say different type A and B. Okay, these crude oils acts as an input. Yes, Bade Saheb, good morning. Are you understanding? Forget the story first. See, there are some processes, number 1 and 2. Okay, if you want to process, don't you feel some material is required to process? Yes, let us say these crude oils are act as a material. Okay, crude oil, crude A, crude B, these are inputs. Okay, and because you are supplying the inputs, these crude oils, you have output. What is that output? Gasoline. Two types of gasoline you will get it, gasoline M and gasoline N. Can you see it? Yes, please you understand this. Let us read the problem. The maximum amounts available of crude oil A and B are maximum amounts. The quantity available crude oil A and B are 200 and 150 units. Okay, but in the market requirement show that at least 100 units of gasoline M. In the market, what is the requirement? Gasoline M is 80. Okay, sorry, 100. What is this? Look at this table. In the market, the requirement of market of gasoline M is 100 units. 100 units of gasoline. Okay, and gasoline N requirement is 80. I am talking, it is in the market requirements, and minimum these units must be produced. 180 units must be produced, no doubt. Okay, minimum requirement. Least means minimum. Minimization, am I right? When you are writing minimization, the signal what we write is, yes, larger than or equal to minimum. Least means minimum, am I right? Minimum is, this is the indication, remember it. Well, we understood so far. In the market, the requirements of M and N gasoline are 180. This is the minimum requirement you have to produce, no doubt. Let us read further. The profit per production run from process 1 and 2 are for the process 1 if you do it, okay, the profit he is saying very clearly, profit per production from process 1 and 2 are 4 rupees and 5 rupees respectively. Formulate a mathematical model of the problem. Are you understanding story now? See, there is one refinery company. Of course, being a refinery company, there is one manager. He has to process. He has two processes. The process 1 and 2 are entirely different. If you start process, okay, inputs are crude A and B. Crude A is 5 units. Crude B is 3 units. When you start process 2, it requires 4 units of crude and 5 units of crude B. Well, what is first step? Decision variables. Am I right? Let us call x1 and x2 are be the number of productions of process 1 and 2. What is this? Because of the process 1, how many numbers of production we are going to produce? That is x1 and x2. What is objective function? Profit. Okay, the profit per production run from process 1, whatever the process you are running, you will get a product output. Product means output. Okay, so profit per production run of process 1 is 4 rupees. Here he is saying 4 rupees and 5 rupees. Because of the process 1, he get a profit of 4 rupees. Okay, x1. See, generally what we call for process 1, let us say x1. For process 2, let us say x2. These are the decision variables. What is the cost? Because of the process 1, we will get 4 rupees. Process 1 means I have written here x1. Process 2 means x2. Can you able to hear all of you? Yeah. Please understand, for the process 1, the profit I am getting is 4 rupees. That he has told in the problem here. 4 and 5 rupees respectively. Because of process 1 and 2. So, x1 is nothing but 4 rupees, x2 is nothing but 5 rupees. What he is saying? Profit, it means maximization, it is not a minimization problem. Barmani, good morning. Barmani Halaskar. Barmani Halaskar, good morning. Yes, please. So, what is maximize? Objective function is what? Z is equal to, yes, for the process 1 means x1. I don't know how many numbers of products I am going to produce. Therefore, what I said is x1. But for each product, whatever the process 1 I am going to get, 4 rupees profit I am getting. So, 4x1 plus 5x2. Because of the process 2, the profit I am getting is 5 rupees. x2 means sorry, Alaskar, want to say something? Oh, okay. So, process 1 is 4 rupees. When I say process 1, it is x1 plus 5 rupees because of process 2, therefore x2. If you add both, that is plus, that is a maximization. This is going to be an objective function. Yes, I have written here objective function. First step is decision variables. Second is objective function. Let us see now what are this objective function is subjected to. What do you mean by subjected to? this objective function or this equation is influenced by, that means constraints. Yes, constraint on crude A. See here, he has told the maximum capacity, maximum amounts available for crude oil A and B are 200 and 150. This is maximum. Okay. Maximum availability of crude A and B are 200 and 150 units respectively. That's what I have written here. Constraint on crude A is 200 and on B 150. Can you see the screen? Yes, this is maximum available. Okay, therefore for crude A, see here table, crude A table 5 and 4. How to write equation for crude A? 5x1, x1 means process 1. Regarding crude A only I am talking of. See here crude A. Okay, x1 means process 1, x2 means process 2. When I am this you forget it, crude B will take it later. When I talk of crude A, don't you feel 5x1 plus 4x2. Okay, its maximum availability is how much? Crude A 200. Are you getting idea? See here, for crude A, yes, 5x1, come here, 5x1 plus 4x2. Okay, maximization this is, see here, smaller than equal to maximum available capacity is how much? 200. Yes, that's what I have written. Crude A is completed. Come to the crude B. Because crude A and B availability he has given maximum supply capacity. Therefore, I have to think this also. It means when you are talking of crude B, 3x1 plus 5x2. Okay, smaller than or equal to how much? 150. See here, crude B, okay, 3x1 plus 5x2 smaller than or equal to 150. Correct now? Yeah, this is one of the constraint as far as concerned to the crude oil, crude A and B. Now what about one more constraint we have? Gasoline M and N. Okay, come to the gasoline. This also constraint on crude A to constraint on gasoline M. Am I right? Let us see gasoline requirement. Market requirements show that at least 100 units of gasoline M and 80 units of gasoline N must be produced. It means just have a look at on gasoline M, requirement in the market is 100. Correct? And gasoline N requirement is 80. Am I right? Please come here now. Gasoline output, likewise gasoline M. Don't you feel when you are talking of gasoline 5x1 plus 4x2 and yes, come on, greater than or equal to 100. Correct? Gasoline 100 units, because minimum this must be produced. Minimization, minimum, least, it means larger than or equal to. Very careful of these signals. These signs has to be very careful, you peoples. Instead of writing larger than, smaller than, if you write, it is gone. Wrong. No marks is going to giving. Have you understood about this equation now? Gasoline requirement is 100. But see here, gasoline M talking, if you are talking of 5x1 plus 4x2. Same I have written. 5x1 plus 4x2 larger than or equal to 100. Similarly, gasoline N. Gasoline N. 8x1 plus 4x2. Am I right? What is its requirement? 80. 80. See here, 8x1 plus 4x2 larger than or equal to 80. Now you have to sum up all these. Now individually we wrote all these equations, correct? Now create a mathematical model. Finally, we have maxima is equal to, what is that? 4 and 5 rupees. What is this? How with these 4 and 4 rupees and 5 rupees are the profit for process 1 and 2. For the process 1 and 2, not these 4, 5 or 4, 4 or 5. No, he has told. See here, yes, the profit per production run from process 1 and 2 are 4 rupees and 5 rupees. That is what I have written here, 4 and 5. Okay, subject to what is this? 5x1. See here, 5x1 plus 4x2 crude oil. Maximum availability of crude oil I have written here is 200. See, I had prepared here before equations. For crude A, okay, 200. For crude B, availability is maximum 150. Same thing I have written. 150 and 100. That is 200. Sorry. See here, 5x1 4 plus 4x2 smaller than or equal to 200, because that was maximization. Next, crude oil B. Crude B this is. See here, crude B. Where is crude B? Come here. 3x1 plus 5x2. Crude oil available is 150. Come here, see what is I have written. 3x1 plus 5x2 smaller than or equal to 150. Please come to the gasoline. These two are gasoline. How it is? Come to the gasoline table. Hey, 5x1 plus 4x2. Okay, gasoline M requirement was how much in the market? 100. Correct? See here, 5x1 plus 4x2, because this is minimization. Okay, therefore smaller than or equal to 100. Similarly, gasoline M, N 8x1 plus 4x2. Its maximum requirement is 80. See here, 8x1 plus 4x2 smaller than or equal to 80. Therefore, finally, x1 and x2 is larger than or equal to 0. So this is the final answer. Yes. Any doubt in the given? Yes, 33. Okay. Any doubt you have? Yes. Are you in touch with our subject or not? With the different modules I am talking. What about your friends who are not attending online classes? or who have not attended, are you sure? No sir, you don't think they are very smart guys, they are doing it. Is it the case? You mean to say is that? Yes. Yeah, no, hope, because they are also matured. Probably you may not, they may not score like how you much score it. Hope they are if they don't do it, they will fail it. Finally, they are the sufferers. Well, 3 models I think we have covered. Okay, forget about this module. This is first module. Okay, 3 modules, all you have to be very much perfect. If any of the method you don't understand, let me know. Even in phone also. In phone I will tell you how to do. Okay, even in video call you can do it. So I think video call helps a lot, so that you can show the screen also. So this is the problem I had taken. I am stuck. Like that also you can show. Okay. And assignment, I think only 2 have submitted. One is Mahantesh. I don't know. Maybe Halaskar. I am not sure. Just I have to check. Rest all have. Rest others have not submitted. I will tell you. Yeah, please submit. You ask others to submit also. And Saturday who don't attend, don't blame me for quiz test. I will tell you later. Because this is strict instruction by the principal and HOD. Okay, those who don't attend, don't consider them. Because as you know all, I am nothing in the college today as on today. Whatever they say, I have to follow. And I am doing it. Okay. Simple multiple choice questions I am giving you based on sequencing and game theory. So game theory may be a saddle point. Okay, you know what do you mean by saddle point in game theory? Sir, nothing else, sir. It is a point of intersection at which the element, that value is minimum in its row and maximum in its column. Correct? No? Likewise, some meaning I am asking. Okay, and maybe some problem I am giving, asking you to find the sequence. Some M jobs on 2 machines. Some value I am giving, some for jobs, 4 to 5 jobs, and each job you know time consumes. That time I am writing in a table. Probably you are supposed to answer the sequence. Some 4 sequence I am giving. Maybe one is right, others are wrong. Whatever it is like. Okay, multiple choice questions. So that idea behind to have this quiz is understand the basics, introduction part of that topic. Problems all you will solve, no doubt, by following the procedure. But what about the meaning, introduction part of that? So on every module, all staffs are going to take some 15 to 15 multiple choice questions. Mahantesh, can you able to hear me? I think Mahantesh has left, it seems. Okay, well, he is the first person to submit. Yesterday only, day before yesterday he has submitted. Very next day he has submitted assignment. No, doesn't mean who are submitting first they are very intelligent guys. Nothing like. But it shows obedience. It shows obedient. It shows punctual. Okay. Immediately all of you submit. Okay. Tomorrow I will come with one more different story, right? And I think with that problem we will end up the formulation. Just I told you, I have given idea how to formulate mathematically. That is called as LPP, linear programming problem. You have to read the story, understand it, identify who are all the conditions subjected to. The whole problem is subjected to, yes, some conditions. Am I right? Yes. Therefore you understand that is the reason I told you, when you are attempting the exam, don't try to touch this problem in the beginning only, because it is a time consuming. This problem is a time consuming. But the another bit, theory part is there, no? 8 marks is asking. You should write that first, because you know the theory part. What is war? Okay, what are the advantages, disadvantages, applications, different states, that is phases. It means different steps of war, that is. So that you should write it. Then immediately don't go to touch this assuming that let me sir complete first one complete question. No, if you do so, your time, you are losing much of your time in the exam. Don't do that. Better you try first and foremost sequencing and game theory. Go to directly that module only. Then come to the PERT and CPM. Just see, have a look how the question he has given. If not, please come to the, what is that, transportation module. Okay, last you come to the formulation problem. And immediate after this module I am going to the second module called as LPP only, that also, but some procedure, different methods are there. Simplex method, Big M method, Biol method. Okay, simple questions he is asking, problems he is asking in the second module, that also we will cover immediate after this. I think tomorrow we will have this one more story. With that, hope we will end up this module. What do you want to say? Because see, okay, we will take two problems, no problem. We will have two problems, but each story is entirely different from one problem to another problem. Only that much. Only the idea involved in this formulation problem is identify the objective function first. That objective function is surely subjected to the certain conditions that you need to identify. Once if you are very much sure about the objective function and the constraints that objective function is subjected to, nothing else, very easily you can formulate the mathematical model. Yes. Therefore, but still don't touch beginning in the exam. Please touch last. Even if you write only objective functions and decision variables, sir, let x1 and x2 are be the decision variables and objective function, you cannot write directly unless you read the story. If you are doing mistake in writing the constraints, no problem, but objective function you write. Now see, here there are two things in this problem, correct? The constraints are crude oil and gasoline. If you do not write gasoline, maybe M or N, leave it. At least crude oil you write, no? That is what first and second equation. Don't write next. At least you will get 2 marks, no, for this 2. Yes, 2 marks you will get it. No, I am talking in a worst condition. In the worst condition, such say you know the story, but because of the problem, because of time, you cannot able to write. In that worst situation, I am telling you, write only these 2 equations, no problem. Get some few marks. This is the OR subject. Whatever you know, up to what step you know, you solve and leave it. If you are stucking to go for the next step, leave it. Till that you will get a few marks. Am I right? Yes, I think with this we will end up, and tomorrow, as you said, we will have one more or 2 more. We will take the problem, no doubt. I think after that we will end up the module. Then we will go 15 we will take it. Okay, simple multiple choices you will get it. Saturday, ask everyone to attend. If they don't attend, let them face the problem, because HOD is there, your HOD is there, your principal is there. Whatever they do it. Don't blame me later. I made it very clear. It is compulsory for all. Today 46 students had attended, what I heard, out of 51 or 52, whatever it is. Okay. Yes, anything is to be asked? You want to speak something or not? We'll end up the session. Yes, friends, we'll end up, or yes, please take care of yourself and your parents. Okay, thank you, good day, bye.